need to build on what we have discussed in this workshop and to enhance and promote our practices to have more institutionalizing of the social and emotional learning and try to expand it to other schools even. The most useful was that we were exposed to different experiences from different stakeholders, from different organizations and different countries. This will enhance and will enrich our knowledge and our practice and our implementation of this program in our schools. It was very helpful actually.
The most useful thing is that we are progressing all together in the same line with the whole world. We're not isolated anymore. Here we have people from different countries, from different regions, who are exposed to the same skills, and we will go hand in hand all together.
We got a lot of contacts because actually we are in a phase of arranging an implementation of a reform in different components in technology, in learning, in curriculum, in professional development especially.
We found here in this workshop that the SEL skills are also embedded in our work and especially in our projects such as the psychosocial support, literacy and numeracy programs, and also in the project of community services.
You see, in our schools we have a lot of initiatives and programs which I discovered after these 2 days that they are under the title of social emotional learning. So to come back with very strong arguments in order to channel all these initiatives and programs and activities within one framework and to put learning outcomes related to the development of the students and to work on the assessment of these learning outcomes, I think is very crucial and very relevant to what we are doing now.
Really, this workshop is in line with UNRWA strategies and priorities, especially about the child well-being. Exchange of thoughts, exchange of practices, exchange of experience between our colleagues from the world is very important thing, and I think that I learned more about their experience in this regard from other areas. Now the idea of how to integrate the social emotional learning in our education system is very important, especially about which tools can be used in order to assess the needs and the gap for our children, and in order to start preparing proper interventions and projects for them.
Well, I think this workshop or conference came at the right time because, you know, in Tunisia we are leading these days a big project, which is the reform of the education sector, because we give great importance in Tunisia to what we call soft skills or transversal skills. It's also the same thing as we call also social and emotional skills.
Well, this kind of workshops and this kind of interactions really broaden the ideas, and as I have learned a lot from my colleagues from this Middle East and Northeast African countries, and I think they also have shared my experiences in my policy level. So this is very useful, and this should be conducted in all other regions of the world, especially where we need to implement this social and emotional learning concept.